Hi and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will tell you about the countdown feature in the Beae product page. So as soon as you guys log in into the Beae website builder, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. On the left side, you guys have all of the various elements that you guys can use. So simply drag and drop the countdown feature. And then after that, you guys are going to see this particular page come up. So now over here, you guys can see the countdown element in action. On the right side, you guys have all the different options that you guys can use to basically make sure that this particular countdown feature can be exactly what you guys want it to be. You guys can change the type to be evergreen. You guys can change it to be meta fields. You guys can change it to be standard. You guys can change it to be whatever you want from these three options. You guys can even align it to the center. You guys can align it to the right side. You guys can even align it separately as well. These are all the options that you guys can use. And then below that, you guys can use this option to basically adjust the start date and the end date for that timer. And then below that, you can even modify the timer card to show everything or to show only some things that you guys want. You have complete control over this stuff. Then you have the option to change up the text for these boxes as well. So instead of saying week over here, days over here, you guys can also change it to months, or you guys can change it to something else, whatever you guys want to. Then you also have presets. You guys can use those if you have some. Then up top, you have the style option. In the style option, you guys have the option to change up the width, the height, the background, the box shadow, and the border as well. And then below that, you also have the countdown number and the countdown label option as well. In the countdown number option, you guys can change up the width, the height. You guys can change the alignment, the text color, the typography style, which basically means that you guys can change up the font by using features such as the option to choose other fonts, and also to change up the weight, transform them a bit, change up the style, decorate them as well. You can even increase or decrease the line height and also the letter spacing as well. Then you have the option for box shadow, text shadow, and of course at the end you have the option for countdown label. And in this particular option, you guys have the option to change up the alignment, text color, typography, and text shadow. So guys, this was the countdown feature in the product page on the Beae website builder. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.
We'll be right back.